treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and seat memory. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.